Hello friends, today we are going to solve LeetCode weekly contest problem D. So the problem is the maximum score. We are given two sorted arrays. We will iterate on those two arrays. We can change the path, like if we start from array 1 we can go to array 2 if only if the element is same. So if you are allowed to change your path only if both values are same. So if the value is repeated, then only we can go to other path. So and we will start from the beginning of both arrays, and we have to reach the end and find the maximum answer. So how to solve this problem? Now to solve this problem, uh, uh, it is simple. This is a simple problem. We'll use it using two variables. We'll, so let's see the first sample case. Let me just tell. So this is a sample case: 2 4 5 8 10 4 6 8 9. I will explain this. In this one, we'll start with two variables a and b. They are the uh, a and b are the scores of the current path. So a is 0, b is 0. Now we'll start with the minimum or smallest element from both paths. So we'll maintain two pointer I and j. Currently both are at 0. So we'll select the minimum one, and uh, uh, so this is the minimum. So we will add it into the a. So value of a will be 2. Now the I pointer will come here. So now both I and j are equal. So what we will do is we will select maximum of a and b. So maximum of previous values, and we'll give it to the element, because these two elements can have same values. So we'll select maximum sum from the previous one. So the sum will be, so here sum is 6 and here will be 4. So maximum of both will be 6. So we will assign 6 to both. So these two will have 6. Now uh, I will come here, j will come here. Now we'll select the minimum. So next minimum is 5. So uh, 6 plus 5 11. So the sum, the value of a will be 11. Now the next one will be minimum from 6 and 8 will be 6. So the value will be 6 plus 12. 6 plus 6 12. Now I is at 8 and j is at 8. Both values are same. So we'll select maximum from previous. So its previous is 12 plus 8 20, and here 11 plus 8 19. So maximum will be 20. So we'll assign 20 to both. Now we'll go to next one. 20 plus 9 29, and 20 plus 10 30. So the maximum value we could get at end of any path is 30. So this is our answer. So how to code this? So this is the code I have written. We'll use two pointers I and j. So we'll check the condition until both pointers do not reach to the end. Then we'll do this thing. We'll check three conditions. Uh, if both are not equal and first one is smaller, then we will add that value into a and increment I. If both values are same, like in this case, if we see if both values are 4 4, so in this case we will take the maximum from previous maximum of AB, increment it with that value, and set AB and increment IJ. And the next condition is if nums2 is greater than nums I. So in this case we will increment B and add and increment a J pointer. Now while we are checking this condition, so in some cases, like if there is if one pointer reaches end, but if there is another pointer that is not yet reached final, so in such cases we will check for the if at least one pointer reach the end, then we will just straightforward go till end of the uh, other pointer. So here the answer will be 39. We won't compare it with anyone because other pointer has already reached end. So we'll just compare. If I is not if I is not reached the end, then we will increment I a. If j is not reached end, then we will increment b. So now we have got maximum values in our a and b. Now we'll compare and output the maximum of them modulo mod. So mod is 10 raised to 9 plus 7. So we'll output this, and let's see. So that's it. It got accepted. So this is the logic. We are using two pointers and we are traversing in a sorted manner. So that's it. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.